Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. Today we're making green chili chicken enchiladas. And boy, are these delicious. Check this out. How about a plate like this? All right, and here's how we made it. Okay, for these green chili chicken enchiladas, obviously you need chicken. We got a couple of chicken breasts. We got some hot bueno green chilies, sour cream, corn tortillas, a couple cans of cream of chicken, Philly cream cheese, a couple cans of evaporated milk, and some Mexican style cheese, or your favorite cheese, whatever kind of cheese you like to use in your enchiladas. Okay, if you're using frozen bueno green chili, we're going to put them in the pan and let them cook just a little bit longer. If you're doing roasted or fresh roasted, you don't need to do this. Okay, this is a 14-ounce tub of green chili, and I'm going to cut up this bag of red green chilies. They're just ripened green chilies, and they're red, and we're going to put these on the top of the green chili chicken enchiladas, on top of the cheese and everything. Boy, does it add some great flavor. Okay. These have been in for 2, 3, 4 minutes. All the liquid is evaporated. I'm adding evaporative milk, 2 cans. And 2 cans of cream of chicken. I need a spoon. There it goes. Let's use a spoon for this one. Okay, I got it all mixed well, and then you're going to add your shredded chicken that already has a little bit of salt and pepper on it. Be careful adding it. And you want to just let it simmer for about 15 minutes and stirring occasionally. Okay, so we moved the sauce to the side, and it is staying warm. It's not quite simmering. If you have it up too high, you might burn the bottom, so you've got to be careful. So I have half of that cream cheese cubed up. I'm just going to add this into the sauce. It makes for, just an extra little creamy flavor to this green chili chicken enchilada sauce. And then you're going to use just like a large tablespoon of sour cream. Get that mixed in. Okay, so while your sauce is heating up over there, you got to do your tortillas. You got to fry them up just a little bit. You want to firm them up in some really hot oil. And what this does, it helps not only just roll them and not fall apart when you roll them, but also, if you just heat your tortillas up and fill them and try to do it that way, your tortillas can turn to mush. All right, let me get the rest of these done and I'll be right back. Okay, we have about 19 tortillas, and you can dab off the oil when you're making these. Okay, so you want it about this consistency. If it looks too thick, you can add like a 1/4 cup of milk just to thin it out just a little bit. Now that your tortillas are ready, I'm going to get a spoonful of the chicken sauce, just like a spoonful on the bottom of your pan. So now the fun part. Put a tortilla down. For the inside, we're going to use this Chihuahua Mexican cheese. It's really, really good. And for the top, we'll use that 4 cheese that I showed in the beginning. So you want to put a little bit of cheese. And then you want to use a slotted spoon in your sauce over here so that you just get some of the chicken. And you want to put that on top. And then roll it up. And slide it over. So I'm not going to bore you with all of them. That's how you put it together. And we'll be right back. Okay, here they are all rolled up and ready for the sauce. And you just want to add your sauce right on top. There will be chicken in that sauce, so just layer it up and fill up that pan, and we'll heat up our oven to 350 degrees. And once you get it all covered, you will have a little bit left over, and you can use that for anything. Hey, and here's that chopped red chili I was telling you about earlier. You don't have to add this to the top of yours. You can just put cheese, but we love this red chili. It adds some great flavor. Just spread it over top, and then once you get it all spread out, of course, we're going to add some that Mexican cheese on top. I like a lot of cheese, so I kind of added a lot of cheese. You can just sprinkle a little bit on if you're not a real big cheese fan, but I am. You want to add foil to this before you put it in the oven. Again, at 350 degrees. There it is. About 20 minutes at 350. Took the foil off for about 5 minutes just to let the cheese on top melt. Get a little bit crispier than all gooey. So there it is. Green chili chicken enchiladas. All right, here it is all plated up, and I have to tell you, this tasted absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching Tortilla Takeover, and I hope we see you on the next video.